हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, तो आइए आज हम डिस्कस करते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ द वेट्स मिरेकल। और ये हम पहले अपनी वीडियो में ये चैप्टर कर चुके हैं और ये चैप्टर है चैप्टर नंबर 8 फ्रॉम इंग्लिश अलाइव क्लास 8 लिटरेचर रीडर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट पार्ट नंबर बी, आंसर द क्वेश्चंस briefly. Question number 1, how did the vet cut his finger? Answer is, the vet cut his finger while performing a small surgery on a sheep. The boy who was holding the sheep complained that the vet's scalpel was too close to his trousers. This distracted the doctor and the blade sliced across his forefinger. Number 2. What was unusual about the bandage? Answer is, the vet's finger was bandaged with a large pad of cotton held in place with an enormous length of 3-inch bandage. Question number 3. What did the panic-stricken man tell the vet? Answer is, the panic-stricken man told the vet that a ball was stuck in the throat of his dog, Benny, and that he thought that the dog might be dead. Question number 4. What was the problem with the collie? Answer is, when the vet pushed his hand into the collie's mouth, he felt the round and hard solid rubber of a ball. It was not much bigger than a golf ball. The ball was jammed like cork in the pharynx, blocking the trachea. यहाँ पर पार्ट बी खत्म हो जाता है. पार्ट सी, थिंक एंड आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, how did the vet save the collie's life? Why does the man call it a miracle? Answer is, the vet realized that he would not be able to get the ball out of the collie's throat by putting his hand inside the throat. He braced both thumbs behind the angle of the dog's lower jaw and pushed. The ball popped out of the mouth and rolled on the road. The vet wished he could do more. He was astonished to feel that the dog's heart was still beating. Immediately, he pressed the dog's chest with his palms every 3 seconds. This now and then he blew separately, desperately down the throat. The man called the dog's revival a miracle because he had almost believed that the dog was dead. He had not expected to see his beloved pet alive again. He was in a state of shock to see that Benny had been revived and was staggering to his feet. His children screamed with joy to see this. Now question number 2. The man kept muttering and repeating, "You just flicked the ball out." Why do you think he kept repeating the lines? Answer, the man kept repeating these words because the treatment that the vet gave Benny seemed very simple and casual. It did not require any surgery or medicine. It appeared to him that it was very easy to press on the lower jaw to get the ball out. Now question number 3, what satisfaction does a vet have? Answer is, the satisfaction that a vet has is that when without doing anything clever, he is able to pull an animal from the brink of death back to life. It is like a soothing balm that flows over the discomforts and frustrations of a veterinary practice. Right? Now question number 4, what was the letter the mother wrote to the vet? How did she address him? Why? Answer is, the mother's letter to the vet was a pleasant one. She apologized to him for hiding in the car and not be seen. She thanked for him for saving the life of their beloved dog, who was as happy as if nothing had happened. She finished the letter with the regret that she had not even asked him his name. She addressed the vet as "vet with a bandaged finger." The bandage on the vet's finger had stuck out like a guiding beacon and was easily noticed by everyone. Since the family did not know whom to address the letter to, they wrote these words because they knew that the letter would get delivered to the right person. Question number 5. If the woman did not know who the vet was, how do you think she sent the letter to him? Substantiate your answer with reasons. So answer is, the woman did not know the name of the vet, but she still managed to send a letter to him because she addressed it to the vet in Darrowby, where they have stopped on their way to Manchester. सो बच्चों, दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.